I first met Dr. Salloum by chance at my dermatologist's office. I was undergoing a procedure for a skin cancer surgery on my nose. And as the surgery got larger, Dr. Salloum offered to stay and help stitch me up, as he shares an office with my dermatologist. While we were waiting for my test results, the doctor and I discussed facelift because we were sitting around and chatting, and I'd been to another plastic surgeon. Doctor had a totally different perspective of what the other plastic surgeon recommended. And because I liked his self-assurance and his style and his caring attitude, I decided to go with him. And what he did, what I had was a lower neck lift and a partial facelift. And he surprised me with a few fun things around my eyes too, to get rid of some of those crow's feet. It was astounding in 4 weeks into my recovery what I looked like. My friends couldn't believe it, and they thought I was 10 years younger. 6 weeks into recovery, my hairdresser could tell that I'd had plastic surgery because my scars were still evident behind my ears. However, he couldn't believe what the amazing job doctor had done with my hairline. His other clients' hairlines were pulled up high, and mine was still in the natural place where it's always been. At my daughter's wedding 4 months later, people that hadn't seen me in a while couldn't believe how well I looked. Even some friends of ours who are doctors pulled me aside at the reception and started exploring my scars and said how wonderful I looked and couldn't believe the job and the difference in my appearance. Unfortunately, about 6 weeks into my recovery, 6 months into my recovery, I discovered that I had thyroid cancer, and I called Dr. Salloum because it would involve cutting into my neck again. He recommended an oncological surgeon and even told me no matter who I went to, he could be there and help stitch me up because I was so nervous about the surgery again and about having my beautiful neck ruined. Thank God the surgery went okay, and Dr. Salloum came and stitched me up, and I'm very happy with those results. I have to tell you that my time with Dr. Salloum this past year has been wonderful. He's been very comforting. He has a wonderful bedside manner. He's very calm, cool, and collective, and I would highly recommend him to anyone who needs a plastic surgeon or just needs somebody to chat to about a procedure.